So let us see about the articles. First, let us examine the following sentences. Give me the red book. Give me a red book. Give me an apple. Here the a and an are articles. In the first sentence, we are using the because we are pointing out a particular red book. But in the second and third sentence, there are many red books and many apples. Thus we are using a and an. So now the question is where to use a and where to use an. A is used before consonant sound and is used before the vowel sound. Example: a boat, a car, a hill, an axe, an opinion, an expert. Remember, here is some exception using and a. And sometimes is used before h mute. For example, an hour, an honorable guest. A is used before the beginning of U or EU. For example, European country, a unicorn, a university, a unit. Here we are saying that an is used before the vowel sound, but H is not a vowel. So, in the case of H mute, we are using an. Generally, we said that A is used before a consonant sound, but U is a vowel. But though we are using it before the sound U, European country, a unicorn, a university, etc. So now let us see about the definite article the. As I already said, the is used before a particular place, a particular thing, or a particular person. Example: I saw a boy and a girl at the theater. Now the boy and the girl are not particular. But when in the second sentence we see here, the girl looked much taller than the boy. So the boy, that is the boy we look before, the particular one. So we are pointing out that boy. So we use the girl looked much taller than the boy. Well, there are some exceptions in using the definite article the with names of countries. Like India is one of the countries leading in software development. It is not the India, just India. We are not using the before a particular name, but we use it before a particular thing, but not a name of the thing. Let us see the second example with languages. French is spoken in Tahiti. Here we are not using the French, we are using just French. English uses many words of Latin origin, not the Latin origin. In the first case, we see I am visiting the United States next week. We are using the in front of United States here because United States is just not a country. It is a union. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.